smoking, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless products, including chewing tobacco.
What up, Chalk? How's it going? We're in Daytona, shooting some color film. 35, 20 mil. You! So, what's up, guys? So, basically, this video is basically split up into 3 separate POV videos. Problem with that was just me shooting a lot and then, like, only getting just a little bit of footage. So, basically, we just took 3 of our separate videos and just put them into one. First one was Texas for a work trip. Second one was just me and Dave walking around Appleton. And the last one was me and Dave hanging out in Minneapolis and me just walking around and just shooting 35 in Minneapolis. How you doing? Go ahead.
That's our mission here, to study the manufacture of monsters who will destroy mankind.
He was set up in the end.
Oh, damn, I was gonna get a picture of him. Thanks so much. Let's go. Yeah, literally. Or it flips on its own. Sorry.
Get one?
I think I did, yeah, and I was recording. Cool. Tell us what's up. What's up? What's up?
I wasn't no better.
Yeah.
And like they went together. So he already went
I thought I could go on without you. without you.
And then Dave shot his Fujifilm 645. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you liked the videos. I truly feel like doing POV videos is definitely a lot more entertaining for the viewers and for myself, because I mean, I don't have to worry about filming anything. I kind of just attach the GoPro under it and I just go at it, and everything's just like super natural. So I enjoy it a lot. Let me know what you guys would like to see, whether it's 35, 120. Maybe we could post up on a corner and shoot some 4x5 of a couple of people. You never know. Just let us know. Comment down in the comments area, you know where that stuff is. You type in the area and you press send.